everyone, I'm Vicki at CreativeNotionsQuiltShop.com, and today I wanted to show you our January 2021 subscription bag. This bag is curated by myself and my little team, my husband and myself, and a few awesome folders that really help us out. And we always pick the best, newest fabric that we can get, hot off the boat. So I want to show you what's in it and tell you why I chose the things that I did just for you guys. Our bags, well, our products actually come in a bag almost always, and they have these cute little logos on them. This is my logo. It's a vintage trailer, and why I do that is because that's my logo, because it's so fun and popular, and I have a bunch of trailers I want to restore, and then we'll see what happens after that. So we have these nice drawstring bags that are made out of great fabric, and if you want to not use it as a drawstring bag, you can take it apart and use it as fabric. So in this month's bag we have a whole bunch of goodies. Okay, and several patterns. So this month this year we're having a contest, and this month Joy Wilcox designed this block for us, and the instructions on how to make it are right on the inside and on the back. So thank you, Joy, for making that for us. We're going to enjoy that. At the end of the year, we're going to have a contest, or we're going to have a book similar to this book. This is our Creative Notions cookbook. Last year, everyone in our group sent in recipes, family recipes and things like that, and we've compiled them into a book. And it's a nice book. It has so many wonderful, yummy recipes in it. So this month we included this recipe book for you. This is our pamphlet, and I spend a lot of time on these pamphlets to tell you about what the products are and why I chose them, and what's in your bag. This fabric is called Roots of Love, and it's by Wilmington Prints, and it's Lisa Audit. Lisa Audit designed it. It's a floral collection that starts with buckets of bouquets, and includes poppies, ranunculi, blue pansies, and more, mixed with family home inspired labels. And we also have winners, and our winners this month are chosen by, they make something out of the fabric that we send, and they post it on our Facebook group. So this month, Amy Fernangal, she made a quilt, her very first quilt, and it really turned out beautiful. And Ann Linden made something using the washi tape that we sent out one month, and she made a postcard with that. And then of course our block winner, Joy Wilcox, she won that. We also have a contest for who can guess what the fabric line is, and just based on hints that I post. And we didn't have a winner this last month, but we have previous projects that we've done, and so anything that they make, it doesn't have to be the project in the bag, just using the fabric, they can win something awesome. So I sent everyone a 45mm blade because we need them often, and we probably should have one in every bag. And a little treat because it's Valentine's Day, or was Valentine's Day. And then this is our beautiful fabric, and it starts out with this panel. This panel is really beautiful. It has all kinds of florals, and then at the bottom, and this is what drew me to the fabric the most, is this saying, when we have each other, we have everything. And that was what won me over on this fabric. And so I chose it just for my subscribers. Now to go with that is some of the other line, and in the brochure I actually wrote 8 fat quarters. I meant to say 5. I only send out 5 fat quarters with a panel or 4 fat quarters with a panel, depending. So we have this plaid that'll make you dizzy if you look at it too long, but it's a lot prettier in person than you can really tell. Then we have this label, I guess it's labels. When we have each other, we have everything. Family and flowers are everything. Love grows in happy homes. So I couldn't pass that up. And then just an all over print, which is going to be fun. And if you don't like big prints, then just put it in your stash, because one of these days you're going to have a reason to use it. Pin dots in a turquoise aqua teal color. I'm not really sure, but it's useful for everything. And then my favorite is this little print with all the little flowers on it. And then Andrea is with Sugar and Spice Textiles, and she is our supplier, and she's a pattern designer, and she made this tote bag pattern for us, and it's called the Melanie Tote Bag. Melanie is her assistant and is amazing. So just a little background history. Melanie does a lot of running and errands for us, and we appreciate her so much. This tote bag comes with, and I'll show you, the handles and all of the hardware, the snaps, the hooks, and the zipper for this tote bag. And I'm making a video for this right now, and it will be aired soon. This tote bag is going to challenge some people, and it is challenging me because I have never done this kind of a pocket in the middle. But I read through it, and it's doable. And I think that every time that someone opens one of these bags, my hope is that they can learn something and try something new that gets them out of their comfort zone. And then on the back is a suggested pattern. It doesn't have the instructions with it. This, if you recognize it, is Joy's Star. And so these are done in 6-inch blocks or 6.5-inch blocks, using the 5 fat quarters that we have, and possibly one more fat quarter, and background fabric. So just choose your favorite background fabric if you want to make these, and then let me know if you need another fat quarter. I think I can still get a few out of what we have left. And I wanted to tell you, this panel, we have many of them. And the question has come up, show us what you can do with panels besides make a quilt. Well, I'm going to show you some things that can be made out of panels. So that's going to be fun. I'm going to actually use this as the lining of my bag and the outside, because I have lots and lots left. And I'm going to, and they are on a really good sale, but I'll make sure they're even on a better sale for you so that you can have as many of them as you want. This is something else that came in the bag. This is the tote bag accessory kit. And I was just telling you about it. It goes with this tote pattern. And here's what's in it. You get your handles, your magnetic snaps, your key ring, so you can hook your keys to the inside of your bag so you don't lose them like I do in the bottom of the bag. And then here's your zipper. And then there's two ways, or this is the back of the panel, this is the front of the panel, and then there is another way to do this inside your, oh, and I didn't talk about this. This thread is not listed on there, but this is in a kind of a heavyweight upholstery thread. You use that to sew on these little handles. There's little holes in there, and so you get a sturdy tapestry needle and you'll sew these on, and it's all in the pattern. And then the snaps and the hook are all right here, all the hardware that you need. So you've got a project here, or you've got the project on the back that you can do, or you can put this in your stash and use it for whatever you want. That's the beauty of this box, is that it comes complete with a kit that you can make, or you can just put it in your stash and enjoy a treat. So that's our bag for this month. And I'll lay it out here for you so you can see. We welcome new subscribers. And I have to tell you that my favorite bag is coming up in February. So in February, we have the cutest fabric I've ever seen. And I saw it, and then I searched for it, and I found out who the designer and who the maker was, and chose that fabric just specifically for you. And I'm going to do a giveaway for a free bag. All you need to do is like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment and see what you think it might be. What fabric do you think it might be? And then tell me how you're going to use your January bag. And invite your friends, invite your family, show them what you've been making, and we'd love to see you be a subscriber. We're almost at 5,000 viewers, and we are really excited about that, and we're going to be having a giveaway. And I haven't put it together yet, but for right now, we're giving away a February bag to one lucky subscriber of this YouTube channel. So like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll see you next time in a couple of weeks with a February bag. Oh, and I'll do the drawing next Friday. Let's see, that'd be 26th or 5th, Friday. Okay, thanks everybody. I'll see you again soon.